Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Chainlink token swaps to Coinbase. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Chainlink token swap platform. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate your Chainlink tokens in the wallet section. Next, choose the option to swap or withdraw your tokens. Select the amount of Chainlink you want to withdraw. Make sure to review the network fees associated with the transaction. Now, select Coinbase as your withdrawal destination. Enter your Coinbase wallet address carefully. Double-check the wallet address to ensure it is correct. Confirm the transaction details, including the amount and destination address. Initiate the withdrawal process. Wait for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain. You will receive a confirmation notification once the transaction is complete. Now, open your Coinbase account in a new tab. Navigate to the Assets section of your Coinbase dashboard. Look for Chainlink in the list of assets. Check your balance to see if the withdrawn tokens have arrived. If the tokens are not visible immediately, refresh the page. Congratulations, you have successfully withdrawn Chainlink tokens from the swap to Coinbase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.